everyone, today I'm going to show you 10 different ways to style a hair scarf. This is one of the most popular trends of spring and summer right now, and it's not going away anytime soon. So I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your wardrobe. Let's get started. Before I show you any of the hairstyles today, I wanted to show you this gorgeous hair scarf I'm going to be working with. This is from Caxico. I'm pretty sure, I'm so sorry if I said that wrong, but it has this gorgeous Dalmatian print almost, and I just love anything black and white. It literally goes with anything, and you can wear it so many different ways. So I'm not going to waste any more time. I'm going to show you the first hairstyle right now. This is the first hairstyle, and it's honestly the easiest thing ever. All you have to do is pull all your hair forward so there's none behind your back, and then wrap the scarf behind your hair around your neck. Pull forward any of the pieces that you want in front of the hair scarf. I like to have a couple pieces frame my face, and then you pull up both ends of the hair scarf and tie them in a bow on top of your head, and then smooth down any pieces that are astray. And then that's all you have to do. It's seriously one of the easiest hairstyles that I ever do, and you look a little bit more put together while having a hair scarf, when in reality all you did was curl or straighten your hair. This is hairstyle number 2. All you have to do is lay the hair scarf across your forehead, flip your hair over, tie it in the back, flip it back, and then it's done. It's a really great hairstyle to do if you want to keep your hair down but you want to keep your hair out of your eyes, and it's just a fun accessory to use for any outfit. This is hairstyle number 3. I'm going to utilize the help of a hair tie for this one, just because my hair likes to fall out really easily with this hair scarf if I just use this and don't use a hair tie. So I pull all of my hair to one side of my head and I secure it with my hair elastic. I chose a clear one just because it's easier to hide. Then I tied the hair scarf around it and then tied a little bow, but you can also just leave the ends dangle. But it's one of my very favorite ways to pull my hair to one side. Sometimes if my hair is still pretty good on the bottom but it's a little greasier on the top, I'll pull it over one side and it just looks so easy and effortless. I kind of feel like I'm 5 years old when I do this hairstyle, but I still think it's super cute. This is hairstyle number 4. It's honestly so easy. It's the exact same steps as number 3, but instead of pulling it all into a ponytail, all you have to do is do a regular braid, a 3-strand braid, or you could do a fishtail braid or a 4-strand braid, or any type of braid you would like to do. I just braided it all together because that's the easiest braid for me to do, and then I tied a little bow at the bottom. It's so easy to do. This one kind of makes me feel like a little kid too, but I think it's so cute, especially if you have longer hair or extensions. This is a gorgeous way you can do it. If you have shorter hair, you can do the first hairstyle I showed you with a couple braids thrown in. Honestly, the options are endless, and that's what I love about hair scarves. This is hairstyle number 5. This is another great way to get the hair out of your eyes while still leaving your hair down, and it's just a really cute and flirty hairstyle. I'll flip around so I can show you a little bit better of what I decided to do. So I just take the top layer of hair and I pull it all back, I smooth it down, and I secure it with an elastic while tying it into a ponytail. Then all I did was wrap the hair scarf around it. All I did was 1 knot. I didn't do 2. You can do 2 if you're afraid that your hair scarf is going to fall out, or you can tie a bow. But I decided that I wanted to let the sides hang down, so because my hair is down, and I wanted to give my hair a little bit more length. This is hairstyle number 6. I don't know about you, but it gets so hot where I live, it's almost unbearable sometimes. So I'm in a ponytail a lot, and I want to be able to dress it up without just looking, I don't know, plain, I guess. And so I really like hair scarves because it makes it look like I did it intentionally, that I didn't just pull up all my hair because I was all sweaty, that I did it because I wanted to show off my hair scarf. So all I did was pull all my hair into a ponytail. I smoothed out any lumps and bumps, pulled out any of the stray hairs that I wanted to frame my face, and then I tied my hair scarf around it. Like I said before, you can tie it into a bow, or you can just let the sides hang. That's what I decided to do because my hair scarf is roughly the same length as my ponytail, so that's just what I decided to do. This is hairstyle number 7. I love this hairstyle. It's so easy to do. All you have to do is take out your ponytail but still hold on to it. That's what I decided to do. That's the best way that I found to be able to do buns, because sometimes I miss a couple hairs here and there and then I have to use bobby pins. I don't like bobby pins, honestly, sometimes, but there's always those baby hairs, so sometimes you do need to use them. But I was pretty okay today. I smoothed all my hair back into that ponytail. I just released the elastic but still held on to the hair. I wrapped my ponytail around my finger in order to get the bun that I wanted. I made it look the way I wanted, secured it with an elastic. I wrapped the hair scarf twice around it, and then I tied it in the back where the tails were hanging backwards. You can also do a bow, like I mentioned before. I know I've said that like 100 times in this, but I like the look of the way that the little tails hang down. I think it's just really cute. Pro tip for this, if you want to level up your hairstyle, you can braid backwards up the nape of your neck into the bun. So all your baby hairs are tied in and you don't need any bobby pins. Now we're on to hairstyle number 8. This is really easy because all you have to do is the bun that I showed you before, take it off and then wrap it around your head and tie it in a bow. If you don't want the bow in the front, you can also move it to the back. But I decided to choose the front just because I like the extra personality that it gives. But I think this is the perfect hairstyle for the gym, honestly, because then you keep all the baby hairs out of your eyes and you keep all your hair back and secure while you're doing everything that you need to do, but still looking so cute in the process. But you can just wear this with a dress, with a t-shirt and jeans, literally anything, and you'll look adorable. And this isn't necessarily a hairstyle, but this is the 9th way that I found that you can style a hair scarf. This isn't necessarily the way that I would style it. I feel very much like a flight attendant right now, but this is a really popular thing that people do. They do it with hair scarves, bandanas. It's called an ascot. You can also get those too. But that's just how they wear them around their neck with a little bow. I tied it once because anytime I see someone tied with it twice, I get worried that they're never gonna get it off, but you can decide whatever you'd like to do. I don't know if this style is necessarily for me, but I don't know. Leave your opinion in the comments down below. Do you like the neck scarf trend? Because I am not fully on board with it yet, but I see so many people wear it and they look so cute, and I just have never gotten on that train. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Last but not least, hairstyle number 10. This is one of my very favorite ones, and it's the most complicated. As you can tell, I had a little bit of a struggle because I'm not necessarily a braiding person. I am not Kaylee Melissa, who is the braidaholic goddess. I will link her channel because I'm obsessed with her. She's amazing. So if you're really interested in braids and learning how to braid, go to her, not to me. I am not a braiding person. But I think this hairstyle is still super cute. This is a really great way to level up your braids. If you want to do that, you can use the hair scarf in one of the strands of the braid and braid it into your hair as normal, and then just use the little excess at the bottom and tie off your hairstyle. I don't need an extra hair elastic because this was already incorporated in everything and I don't feel like it's going to fall out. But if you feel like your hair is going to fall out, you can always include a clear elastic at the bottom and then tie the hair scarf around it. Those are all 10 ways to style a hair scarf. I'm sure there's tons of other ways, so let me know any other suggestions that you have down in the comments. I'm wearing my favorite right now, so let me know what yours was too. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.